Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna review and unbox the CarPod Go T3 Pro, a sleek portable wireless display for CarPlay or Android Auto that promises to bring a premium tech upgrade to any car in just few minutes. If you decide to grab one for yourself, use my code GEARBYTES at the checkout to get $50 off on your order. Let's dive right in. Opening the box, the first thing you will see is the 8.9-inch fully laminated display with a stunning 1920 by 720 resolution. It's got this seamless black texture that blends perfectly into any car interior, giving near retina screen clarity. We will see how sharp it is once powered on. Behind the screen, you will find ports for power, audio, and even a reversing camera along with USB-C for firmware updates. Speaking of which, the T3 Pro offers some cool optional accessories like a full HD reversing camera and a Bluetooth aux receiver. You will also get a range of mounts like the 8 kg magnetic base for secure attachment and a suction cup mount for versatility. Plus, all the necessary cables are included. The Type-C for power, a 3.5 aux cable, and even a cable for firmware updates. It's everything you need to get started. Attach the mount of your choice, secure it with magnetic base, plug in the Type-C cable to the car's power outlet, and you are good to go. T3 Pro powers on automatically when you start your car and takes just 12 seconds to boot into CarPlay. Once powered on, the fully laminated 60 FPS screen truly shines. The visuals are crisp and responsive and no noticeable lag. It's perfect for navigating, streaming music, or accessing apps directly through CarPlay or Android Auto. With a light sensitive brightness feature, so the display automatically adjusts to the lighting around you. So it's very ideal for night driving. And talking about the UI design, it's very nice and neat. The style feels modern, clean, and easy to use. Connecting the T3 Pro is straightforward. Just pair your phone via Bluetooth and the device automatically creates a secure Wi-Fi connection for a seamless CarPlay or Android Auto. Once connected, you can enjoy split screen views for navigation and music, or even you can go full screen for maps. Another cool feature is the display only Bluetooth mode. It lets you to use your car's built-in Bluetooth speaker for audio playback while controlling maps and calls directly from the T3 Pro. Even you can control the options via steering wheel. If you want even more functionality, you can add the optional reversing camera. It's easy to install and automatically activates when you shift into reverse, giving you a full screen view for safer parking. Overall, the CarPod Go T3 Pro is a fantastic addition to any car. The 60 FPS display, robust magnetic base, and user-friendly interface, along with an advanced features like a night mode, making it one of the best dashboard consoles I have seen. If you are looking for a budget-friendly way to add CarPlay or Android Auto to your car, then this is it. Remember to use my code GEARBYTES at checkout to save $50 on your order. I will leave the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GEARBYTES, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, I catch you in the next one.